Christmas and Happy New Year
To everyone.
to everyone.
Take care.
Take
Yeah.
care. Thank you.
Thank you. This is for
Get out of here.
Mommy and Daddy. I'll open mine last.
Get out of here.
This is Yanni. This is Tim Tim.
Yay, exciting!
Oh,
I can already open it.
keep opening.
I can already open it in half.
Wow! That's super exciting. Slow down. Woo, 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 woo.
Rip it!
Yes! What is that? Oh my god! Wow!
Wow.
Wow! You can wear that in New
It's
Zealand.
a onesie, isn't it?
Yes!
Thank you, Tita Mitch.
Thank you,
Oh,
Tita
look at
Mitch.
this.
Thank you,
A water
Tita
bottle.
Mitch. Thank you, Tita Mitch.
So this is for us. So maybe this is only for me, not for
Maybe.
you.
So you can keep it then.
Bro.
Sana all. Keep it.
Sana
Sana
oil.
all. You're not allowed to open this. This is all for me.
Mommy,
To
did you
Mark,
put my present
Natalie.
Yeah.
To Mark and Natalie.
Oh, they have this. What is this?
there? Wow,
Their
it's for
names
Daddy.
The
here.
stem.
Yeah, wow,
That's
this
cool.
is cool.
To Mark and Natalie.
Yeah.
Fortnite.
Daddy, this is for me only, so I can
No!
do it more.
It said, Mommy, it said that it should be for Mommy and Natalie.
Mommy and
I
Natalie.
meant to say Natalie and Daddy.
And Mark.
And Mark.
Daddy, this
And then I accidentally said the wrong thing.
Daddy,
Chichina.
you smell good already, so you don't need it. I think I smell bad than you
Okay,
then.
you take it all, Sana.
Just
all.
take it off.
Okay, you're done for it.
Thank you, Seth. Thank you, Seth. Thank you so much.
Oil on my
Merry
hand.
Christmas.
I don't know.
So weird.
Yeah. Okay, next. This is our present, or this is all mine? No, it's ours.
That's
Okay, you need to say thank you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Tita Melissa, Tita PJ.
And Eve. Jamie.
Yes.
And Ethan.
Yay! This is for Ate Wella.
Oh, it's so big.
That is so thick.
And this is for Yanni.
It's
Super heavy. What is this?
Big.
And this is for
Oh, yeah.
Open it, open it.
Matthew. Okay.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, let's go. What
Oh.
is it?
No, I broke the bag.
I wow. Look. Wow.
Whoa.
Wow, what is it? This is a
What is
jacket.
this?
What is it?
Wow.
Mommy, look.
That's nice.
What is this? Whoa. Look how many. Oh wait, I still have more.
Whoa, you look at Kuya's, Yanni.
Wait, I still have more?
He got Spider-Man.
It's a puzzle.
Ow. Wow.
And this is for Daddy.
Can
Wow.
we open this right now?
Wow.
Can we open this?
Okay, don't wait now.
Wow. Can you open? Yeah, go open.
Yeah, open now.
Whoa!
down.
I got rainbow headphones.
That's so
Whoa.
cool.
Another one. Yep, shoes. Yep, shoes. Another from you and you. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
What it is?
You're welcome.
Whoa!
Mommy to buy them and Mommy got them later secretly.
Super
You
cool!
asked Mommy to buy those and she got them secretly later.
Yay! I got a box now. Yes! Whoa! I mean, I have a free box. I got some. What should I do with this box? What should I do? Whoa! There's a stack of them. On it. You lucky they're shoes. Yeah! Look at mine.
dinosaur.
It's literally so cute.
That is a T-Rex, a dinosaur.
And then I think there's one more. Yep, there's one.
Wow.
Wow, look at my present. Oh, wow.
Here's more, Daddy.
What the world?
You put the headband.
Presents. I can't believe.
I
Oh
can't
my
believe.
gosh, I got a shirt and
You got
pants.
this again?
I got
Yay.
shirt and
What's in
pants.
here?
That's
I
cool.
got a
Oh,
shirt.
backbone.
I got another shirt and pants.
And you got your
And
clothes,
shoes.
Jenny. Here's your clothes.
Whoa. And this. And this.
I can't believe it, she said. I have a lot of presents. I can't believe
So
it.
much. What is this? Look at the stack of this.
Wow!
I can't believe this. Earn everything. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. Yay!
Welcome.
Silly straws.
You like my shirt?
Yeah.
It's blue.
You see?
It's blue.
Wow.
Blue.
It's a blue-green shirt from Icebreaker.
Thank you. It's my shoes.
That's
My shoes.
No, it's not. I got pants and
What's
another.
this, Yanni?
I got pants. I got another layer of pants. Unicorn that you can paint. Oh, look. I got pants and then a shirt and then another shirt.
You can have butterfly wings. Look. Wow. Yeah. Smile. Round and round again. Wow.
Your present.
What is it? It's not yours.
I'm just looking at it. I just want to look at it and hold it.
It's my turn now, guys. Now we can open Mommy's present. Daddy doesn't even know this. This is from someone. So just only a cream.
He's
It's only a cream.
You just wasted your time with just a piece of cream. What? What's so special about a piece of cream?
It's to make Daddy more in love with me. I'll put some cream on your hand and you can touch me like you will fall in love with me more. The power of magic cream. Try. Oh, try it. Go like this. Try Daddy your food. Sige na. Try na. This is the power of cream.
I don't feel anything.
It's magic! No, it smells so good, right?
Yeah, but you
Does
said.
it smell good, Daddy?
Smells like a girl.
Yeah, but what's the point of
Now,
this?
what is the next one?
I don't know. I don't know. Okay.
I have a perfume from someone again.
Which I don't know.
That someone is my boyfriend who gave me this.
Oh no!
Don't touch this one, huh? This is from my boyfriend.
Here comes the airplane. Here comes the airplane. Say ah.
See, imagine how can I get a boyfriend? Yeah.
I know the rules.
See, I have
Say
a very
goodbye.
cute perfume. Yeah, look at that. Super cute. Can bring this
You know
during
the
travel.
rules.
In the
And
chick
so
baggage.
do
Not the
I.
hand baggage.
Say goodbye.
Let me see, I can smell
Ow.
you.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
The awaited moment! Yes! We can open this! This is the moment!
don't know. It's big. I know something. It's big.
Okay, it's big. So here's the receipt. And then you can open it now. It's mine. Okay. You
What's this?
That's my magic ring.
Okay,
Guys, we're opening now. Okay. You need a drum roll. No drum roll. That's my ever supportive son.
Just open it.
Dang, 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 dang. What is it, baby?
How am I supposed to know?
You need to guess.
I don't know. Guess. I don't know. Guess. I don't know.
Maybe an underwear?
No.
You need to pull the box.
There's something. Another something. That you have to
say. Yes. Next. Oh!
What's this? There's two.
There's two! So it means...
That's shoes.
So we got a pair of shoes. You open the other one, you should pull like that.
There are literally shoes.
Yeah. I want to see what's inside. You know! You need to do like this. So slow down.
Big. They are
You need
big.
to kiss it. Kiss.
Kiss! No!
Actually,
I
that's
can kiss it. Okay, do it.
Why? Why?
Do it.
Why?
Kiss it. Kiss it. Kiss it. Kiss it. Kiss it. One more kiss. Just one kiss.
Why?
Yes!
Oh my God.
Do it now.
Fine.
Go. Yeah.
What is
Okay, mommy should try this one now.
Did you try the one in the shop?
Oh,
That is uncomfortable. You got a high heel, high arm.
No, it's just a stuff. Yes, beautiful present.
Grabe, ang galing. Super ganda. O, diba? Yay!
Hi everyone! Merry Christmas! Actually, may pahabol po ako ng gift from my ate Sophia. Kasi nag-secret Santa po kami. Tapos, nakuha niya ako. So, let's open it!
Sana ulit.
Uy, it's an AirPods case.
Wala ka naman ng AirPods.
It's a frog, mommy, look! It's a frog case. Cute! I love frogs, guys. Alam niyo yun. Guys, tapos nag-effort pa siya nag-gawin ito. Ayoko po masira. So, sa bottom pa tayo mag-open.
Sana ulit.
Mommy, look!
Wow!
Frog bag!
Sana all.
Sana all.
Pwede ka na hanap ka na ng princess kasi ikaw ang frog.
Wala ka diba? Ito na po yun, guys. Thank you,
Wow.
Ate Sophia. I love it so much.
Pwede ka na maging friends, frogs. Wow, so cute.
Merry Christmas, guys! And I hope you enjoy our video. Please like and subscribe.
Mwah.
Merry Christmas!